guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading! Hey everyone, this is chapter 7 of Heroine's Revenge. Let's start reading. And it's abandoned building. Of course, saan naman talaga nila dadalhin pag nangingidnap sila? Oh, kawawa naman si Chuyan. It's too limiting in the car. This place is big and quiet. I'll give you good here. Aba, excited si Kuya. Di ba black yung naka-cover kayo, naging puti. Tears. You can scream as you want. It will only spice things up for me. Ano si Kuya? Tawag nito? Krenyo brutal. Oh, ba't nandito to si Muyuyu? What the hell, Fangchi? Why did you ask me to come over? Pinapunta mo? What are you doing here? So, hindi siya nagpapunta? I sent the message to you, Miss Moon. Oh, si Chuyan yung nag-message. Paano yung nagawa? Okay. Well, of course, 7 is there. So, nagamit niya yung mga points niya. Half an hour ago, host, the kidnapper was talking to Muyoyo just now. You hack the kidnapper's phone, send her our location and tell her that there has been a change of plans and she has to come over. Don't forget to block Muyoyo's number after sending her the message. That way, she can call the kidnapper to confirm. You see, Chuyin is really a capable one to give revenge to all the heroines that have been abused by all the stories that they have. Since I know what you did, you must think of killing me now. Uh-oh. Yes, of course. What's next? There is no need to haste into anything. Let me ask you one thing first. Ano yan? Pag siya nagtatanong, parang feeling ko talaga, mauluhungkat lahat ng stories eh. I heard that Busian used to live in the ghetto when he was a teenager and had some tough times. But you helped him and bought him food, is that right? Yes, why do you ask? Oo nga, bakit mo natanong? So dito na mauungkat. I'm just curious. You're a rich lady. What were you doing in the ghetto? Oo nga, mayaman ka. Anong ginagawa mo dun? Ghetto area means maraming mga gangs and all, di ba? And she's a rich lady, mahinhin pa. So it means, yeah, why are you there? And coincidentally, you showed up just when Busian had been starving for days and rescued him. Gutom na gutom siya for days na. Hindi na siya kumakain. Tapos, wala, dumating ka bigla. Of course, that's suspicious. My guess is that you knew the Boo family had been looking for him, but you deliberately let him starve and then help him when the time was due. Oh, so alam niya. Pero hindi niya sinabi para maging hero-herohan siya. Bida-bida ka nun. Ikaw ate girl ha, bida-bida ka ha. I did plan all that. So what? What are you going to do about it? Ay, wala lang. Kinonfirm niya lang. So totoo. You will never walk out of this door alive. Oh, ganun ba? Kill this woman today and I will pay you 10 million as your reward. 10 million just to kill the girl? Just to kill Chuyan? Grabe naman to si ate girl, ma-in love. Pero hindi naman in love sa'yo si Boo. 10 million? Of course, oo yan. Sorry babe, I have to do this. Tough break for you though. Aba, parang naano pa siya, naghinayang pa siya, pero pera na to. Abo, susuksukin niya talaga si Chuyan. Uy, baril yan ah. It's a bullet. Yeah, it's a bullet. Sa likod galing. Who? Who would that be? Of course, sino? Ah, yun. Si Buyan. Take him down. See? Just in the right time. Ang dami mo naman palang bodyguard, ba't hindi mo naprotektahan si Chuyan kanina? Chuyu pala. I use a lot of tricks to prevent being tracked. How did you find me here, Yan? Ay, baka nakakalimutan mo. Si Yan ang most powerful and most richest man in Jensen City. Ikaw kasama ka lang sa 4 big families na under ni Buyan. Tinanong mo pa. What you did was a joke. Yan naman. Paano mo naman sasabi na ginawa niya lahat ng paraan para hindi siya matrack? Hello, ate girl. Okay ka lang. O, diba? Parang walang nangyari. Parang hindi na-kidnap. Hindi na-trauma si ate mo. Did you get hurt? O, diba? My wrist hurts. Madrama na naman si ate mo. How do you want me to handle her? How do you want me to handle her? So, siya ang siya mag-iisip kung ano. You can do whatever you want with her. She's been your friend since you were a teenager. I won't take the liberty to punish her. You might find me too hard on her. Char. Ano ito? Guilt tripping. Nag-guilt tripping pa si Chuyan. So ngayon, tingnan natin kung anong gagawin ni Buyan. Take Miss Moo to the police and make sure she tells them about every dirty job she participated in. Yes, sir. Ay, lagot ka, girl. Ginalit mo si Buyan. No, Yan. You can't do this to me. Oh, we're just going to. I helped you when you were young, and you promised to return the favor. Have you forgotten that? How could you break your promise like this? Oh. You helped me? Oh, scary looking. Para siyang hawk. I heard the conversation between you two, and you admitted that you planned everything. Narinig niya pala. Sorry, girl. You heard everything, so wale. No, that's not true. Chuyan set me up. She induced me into speaking that. Bubulo na naman ako. Really? I induced you? Did I ask you to go to the ghetto neighborhood when you were young? Did I tell you to hire someone to kidnap me? Galit na naman si ate mo. You are innocent and kind. You have never done anything bad. Is that what you want to say? Well, that's what she implying. Take her away. I'm sorry, Yan. Please, take me to the police. Don't take me to the police. I'll be ruined. You'll surely be ruined. Ikaw ang dahilan yan. Wala naman nag-utos yung gawin mo yan. I was grateful to anyone who helped me as a vulnerable teenager. And I tried my best to repay the favor. Mm-hmm. Sa lahat ng tumulong sa kanya before, nung lugmok siya, tinulungan niya. Ay, binalik niya yung tulong na binigay sa kanya. I didn't expect all those warm memories to be illusionary. Oh, I wish I had known you earlier. I would never let you suffer alone. Ay, tamis talaga magsalita to si Chuyan. So I would never let you suffer alone. I would be there for you when things were tough. Let's share this food. And pushed. I would give half of my food to you. So that's the memory that he wanted. Ganon. Baka yan yung memories niya with Yan, diba? I would apply medicine to you and bandage you if you got hurt during the fight. Maybe yun yung mga memories nila ni ano, Muyoyo. I'm sorry, I wasn't there for you. Oh, may pa ganun, ate? Ay, parang fall in love na si ano si Buyan. Interesting. So let's continue on the next chapter. But please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye!